Hello guys, this is again Kepler. So I'm going to trade on binary.com, higher URL, volatility index 100. Okay. Now this is the new strategy. Okay. Two, three, four, and five. Yes, run this contract. Predict the market and earn profit. Definitely I'm gonna win this trade. Oh, so today's my target will be $50. That's enough for me for today. Okay, if you want to be successful in binary.com, don't trade too much. Just trade as little as you can. Yes, because broker wants you to trade more and more. That's why broker is earning money. You know, on binary and forex markets, 85 to 95% of traders loses money because of the emotions. Resist your emotions and you will be successful trader. In starting, guys are full of greed. They want to trade more and more. They want to earn even $100,000 in a single days or even in minutes. So guys, just ensure yourself don't be too much greedy. Just trade with your conscious mind, not your subconscious mind. No, as you can see here, the market is rising. It's not good to trade because I'm going to trade downwards, not upwards. Yep. Oops. Oh, that's crazy. Oh shit, man. Oh, woo-hoo-hoo. I lost. Yep, recovery. Some recovery. Holy shit. Oof. The market is going crazy. Yes, definitely. Market will go down. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yo! Model up again. Whew. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Yes. And yes. Holy shit, man. I'm recovering. Oh yeah. Okay, just wait. Okay. As you can see the rejection here. Whoa, yes, man. Whoa. I recovered my losses. Yo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Whoa. This is not a good trade I did, but I will definitely win this trade. Just be patient and trade. You have to learn. Oh yes. Now I will trade more. Oops. Definitely it will go down. That's why I choose my full balance. How on baby? How on baby? I want baby. I want it baby. I want it baby. I want baby. You make me a little bit crazy. I want a baby. I want a baby. No, 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 no. Late for this trade. Just have to wait. Hopefully, I will definitely will win this trade, baby. You don't blow me. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, yes. My target is $150, okay, for the today. Okay. Yep. Definitely. I'm gonna win this trade. Oh yeah, baby. Nobody can make me lose this trade. No one. Holy shit, man. Whoa. So, guys, as you can see, I earned 153.32 cents. Okay, $153. Okay, from 100 something dollars. So $50 is my fucking profit for the day. And you know that, just learn. This is the new strategy, okay, by watching the candlesticks. So guys, if you like this video, please share and learn how to trade on binary.com. Bye bye.